You want to see our creek? Watch it when the water comes through.
Saturday we came, Saturday we came down here to check how it was, and a pair of mallards came over. And
Cool.
They were right over there, and it was like, oh, you guys.
Yeah.
Oops, too far, Jane.
Hey!
There you go. Now
Dane, you made a little stream when I poured the water in.
Look at that. It's got an island in it too.
Cool.
Do you see the island? Wow.
Watch this.
Whoa.
It goes back.
You know what? That looks like that erosion that we were talking about.
What erosion?
Remember when we did the experiment with the sand and the water last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
It's really poor.
You need to clone yourself.
I know.
It goes to my eyes. Sorry.
Tegan, look at me. Instead of pouring up like this, get down low and pour it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I made dirt right there. And then the
Oh, that was much